This is a refrigerator. On with quality content.
Welcome, my people. This is yesterday, episode 2. Toilet time. Yay! We're talking about refrigerator.
Yay, refrigerators. They keep our food cold. That's about it.
Yes.
So, what do refrigerators do that benefits us as human beings?
The thing that you said. The thing that you said.
They keep our Coca-Cola cold.
Not just Coca-Cola, but a lot of other. This is getting really awkward, Chase. And this is perfect.
I knew it. It's Monkey Jesus, remember?
Oh, yes, Monkey Jesus. Yes, Monkey Jesus.
Hi, I can finally upload on a YouTube account, which it's secret until the end of the video. If you want to know, watch till the end or just skip to it. Oh, by the way, will we be able to upload this like today, or will we upload it tomorrow?
Yes, we're still recording, Chase.
Okay, I'm just asking a question. Making up this out.
Okay, so, we're gonna start the advertisement. Okay, advertisement.
Let me get something.
Okay, let's.
Where is he?
Okay.
Hi guys, it's Sonic. And have you ever wanted some very expensive, cheap video games? Well, come to Sonic's Game Store, where we got a bunch of games. You can either purchase at our store, or you can purchase on our website, www.ilovescammingpeople.com. Get your games today. Play them now. Hey guys, just saying. Special announcement. I am working on a dinosaur documentary called Prehistoric Earth. There's an official channel, nothing on it yet. I'm gonna try to get like a short little thing out soon, but get excited. Subscribe to the channel, you'll see concept art. Prepare for a concept trailer. This is an actual trailer for the show. It's just clips from other shows to like give you a good taste of what's to come. And just get excited. New dinosaur documentary coming. It will not be a very, very long time before anything really big comes out. But I will keep you guys updated. I'll give you as much as I can. If the upload schedule is very bad, that's because, well, there's not much to talk about. But I will try to supply as much concept art and updates as possible. So, that's it. Back to you, David.
Okay, so, refrigerators. Yay!
Love refrigerators.
Yes.
They keep our food cold, I guess. The end. I got this thing. It does stuff, I guess.
I love that thing, so, let's, I guess.
Okay, that's life. Remember, steal your mom's credit card and go to ilovescammingpeople.com. No, don't listen to him. He's lying to you, children. You're being lied to, children. Don't do it.
Oh.
They call me